Welcome everybody to day 4 of connecting with nature. It's probably the last day we're gonna have this wonderful snow, so I decided I'm gonna do a freezing cold night shower with hose water while standing bare feet in the snow. Day 5 of connecting with nature. Bare feet, woo! I'm gonna miss the snow, baby. Cold man's bent to the moon. Woo! Woo-wee! Now that was cold. Man, the cold is so powerful. You've been told your whole life the cold is your enemy. Stay warm, stay inside. No. Go outside, challenge the cold, challenge your body, and push yourself to be the best. Hope you guys have a great day, and comment down below. Maple, be quiet. Quit barking. Comment down below how cold therapy has improved your life. Anyways, everybody, have a great day. I love you. Also, God loves you so much, and He sent His Son Jesus to die on the cross. So He will give you peace, and He will give you joy, and I'm just trying to be a light in the world and share God's love. Have a great day, everybody. Peace out. Coleman Tets out.